In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Squarespace site styles, header, and fonts. If you want to refresh the overall look of your website, one of the quickest ways to do it is by changing your site styles, especially your heading fonts. Fonts have a big impact on the personality of your site, so even a small change here can make your design feel more modern, more elegant, or more on brand. To get started, go to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're inside the editing area, look toward the top right corner and click on Site Styles. This is where Squarespace stores many of your design settings, including colors, spacing, and typography. Opening Site Styles is the first step because it gives you access to the visual settings that apply across your website. After that, find the Font section. You'll see an arrow beside it, and you'll want to click that arrow to expand the font settings. This opens up the typography controls so you can adjust how text appears throughout your site. If you're making branding updates, this is one of the most useful areas to know. Next, click on Headings. This section controls the font style used for titles and larger text elements across your pages. Headings are especially important because they're often the first text visitors notice, so choosing the right font can improve both readability and visual consistency. Once you're in the heading settings, click on the current font. This will open the font selection menu where Squarespace shows the typeface that's currently being used. From here, you can browse through the available options and preview how different fonts will affect your site's appearance. Then, select a new font. As you choose a different heading font, pay attention to how it fits with the rest of your website. A good tip is to pick something that matches your brand style while still being easy to read. For example, a clean sans serif font can feel modern and simple, while a serif font can feel more classic or editorial. Take a moment to review the updated look before moving on. Since headings appear throughout your site, this one change can create a noticeable visual update across multiple pages. If the new font feels too decorative or too bold, you can always go back and try another option until it feels right. That's how to update your Squarespace site styles header and fonts. Once you know where these settings live, it becomes much easier to fine-tune the overall design of your site and keep your branding consistent.